Current Arizona regulations are located in the Arizona Administrative Code, which is abbreviated AAC. The Arizona Administrative Code is on Westlaw, Lexis, Bloomberg Law, and the Arizona Secretary of State's website, azsos.gov. We're going to look for the Arizona Administrative Code on Lexis. So from Lexis's main page, I'm going to click on the State tab and then Arizona to get to Lexis's Arizona page. This is all of Lexis's resources for Arizona. Scrolling down, I see the link for Arizona Administrative Code. From here, I can do a keyword search of the Arizona Administrative Code, or I can find my regulations by browsing the table of contents. Notice that the Arizona Administrative Code has 21 titles. I'm going to look for the regulations of the State Nursing Board. I'll go to Title 4, which is labeled Professions and Occupations. Here's a list of all Arizona agencies that regulate a profession or an occupation. Each of these agencies is given its own chapter. The Board of Nursing Regulations are in Chapter 19. I'm going to go to Article 3, Licensure, then Section 304, Temporary License. This regulation is cited for 19304, which means Title 4, Chapter 19, Section 304. Checking the currency of this database, we see that it's current as of June 19th, 2020. Today is July 9th. Now let's go to Westlaw. On Westlaw, I'll go to the State tab and then select Arizona for Westlaw's Arizona page. I will click on Arizona Regulations, and here I can browse the table of contents or do a keyword search of Arizona regulations. I'm going to look for Arizona regulations that deal with bingo. So I'm entering bingo as my search term. I'll go to the second one, which is 15/7/2013. I see in the heading of this regulation that it's from the Arizona Department of Revenue bingo section. Scrolling down to the bottom of the regulation, I can see how current the Arizona Administrative Code is on Westlaw, and it's current as of May 29th. I can also see that this regulation was enacted in 1984 and was amended in 1986, 1989, and 2001.